Definitely a loose step that we're going to repair today. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset a patio step so it doesn't become so shaky and it doesn't move, and it's a safety hazard, especially when you're having guests or even family out back and trying to enjoy a barbecue or just enjoy your patio. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fix this step. We're going to be using construction adhesive, grind wheel for the drill, regular drill, caulk gun, and a wire brush. Now you can get everything to make this repair in the descriptions below, so I made it very easy and very simple to show you guys exactly what you're gonna need. So first thing, we're gonna remove this step and we are going to look underneath of it and see what it looks like. So here's the bottom of our step. We have a lot of dirt, debris in here, so we really need to clean this up and get all this stuff out of here. So you're going to take your wire brush and first you're going to scrape it the best you can, and then whatever we can't get, we're going to get our wire wheel with the drill. So you really want to rough it up, maybe get some more dirt out of there, because sometimes it can't fully lay because there's a lot of debris that's sitting and keeping the step up. It goes directly on the drill. All right. So you know what else I'm going to use? I'm going to use a hammer. I'm going to use the back of the hammer to try to scrape this off. First I'm going to try to hit it. You see how it kind of just pulls up? You kind of have to break it free. It is easy once you break it free, but yeah, go ahead and let's try to hit this and try to get it as far down to the brick as we possibly can. Just be careful you don't break your brick. Now we're going to take our grind wheel again. First we're going to put it up here. And we're going to lay it heavy because it is a high trafficked area. Like I said, be very generous with the amount of adhesive that you're putting down. All right, make sure you just twist that so it doesn't pour out and get on your shoes where you don't track it into the house. And now I'm just going to put a little bit right here. Now that we have our adhesive down, we are going to flip the brick and we're going to put it back. Alrighty. You want to step on it, make sure. And now we're going to want to make sure it's actually resting on the brick underneath. Which it is, you can see it kind of smushed out some. So what I'm gonna do, I don't want anyone stepping on this brick. I'm gonna put a cone here, but before I do that, I need to fix this one as well. All right, so one of the main things is you get a lot of dirt in there. As you see, I pulled all that out, so I'm going to take my leaf blower and just blow all that out once I'm done. But as you see, it's coming down. I got a lot in there, so hopefully it does not come loose again. So I was probably a little too generous with this one, but like I said, we are not going to step on this, and we're going to clean that up. Okay, so for the cure time, it says about 2 to 7 days. So I'm gonna give this 2 days. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how well this actually. All right guys, so here we are 2 days later. I think the step actually really sat well and it does not move whatsoever. It worked. 2 days of it fully healing. I put traffic cones up there so nobody would step on the step. Kind of tough to do, I know, but it's definitely worth it because I know how frustrating it can be when these steps are moving on you. But yeah, so that's that. Definitely works. Give it a shot. All right guys, and that's all that there is to it. Super simple and very easy for anyone to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I come out with daily DIYs and home repairs on a daily basis. Again, guys, my name is Chris and this is Fully Remote Lifestyle.